Well, what is animal personality and how is it defined? Um, well, um, Scientifically, um, one can say that animal personality in general is a larger set of personality traits that are attributed to an individual animal or organism, individual organism, after measuring several individuals of a group or population. Now the question is, personality, what are personality traits? Well, these are kind of certain traits which are different in the different individuals of a population, but are consistent over context and temporally stable. That is, they do not vary from different context to context and from time to time. Now the question is, um, let's understand it using an example. What is a personality trait? Well, it is aggression. An example of it can be aggression. If this aggression actually differs from in the different individuals or population, but for that particular individual, if the aggression is, let's consider that it is high in it, then over time it will remain high, and over the different contexts it too would be remaining high. Only then we can say that this is a personality trait, and a collection of such personality traits is known as a personality in general. Now let us to understand what is personality in general, so we must need to understand um, what are personality traits, or how can we divide it into different types. Well, a personality trait can again be actually divided into behaviors. For example, if we consider the case of aggression, we can consider that how many times this particular fish hits itself on the mirror, or how many times it bites another fish, or how many times it chases another fish. So these are different behaviors using which we can actually determine a personality trait, and using numerous personality traits we can determine the personality in general. And what are personality types? Well, if someone is more aggressive, someone is less aggressive, these are different personality types. And even in behavior types, if someone chases more, if someone chases less, this is the personality, these are the behavior types. And we must keep in mind that not every behavior is a behavior that contributes to a personality. I mean, not every behavior contributes to the personality traits, and since these behaviors might vary, and not every personality traits are going to contribute to the personality in general. Well, to measure personality, the behaviors, there are two methods. One is coding and another is rating. Well, in case of coding, it is a quantitative measure of the behavior. For example, the latency time of something, or the score or the frequency of doing something, such things which you can count, and such accounting is known as coding. And rating, well, this includes the judgment of the observer, who actually rates a behavior um, himself based on his respect. I mean, on an ordinal scale. Um, that's it. So, and it has been seen that rating is actually less commonly used, as it seems like it might include some personal bias, and coding is a more suitable approach. And the reliability of ratings has to be confirmed with regard to inter-observer reliability and test-retest reliability.